Alright friends, subscribers, internet strangers, what's up? So you're new to Amazon, and what are some of the things you have to learn to deal with and understand it's just part of the process? These boxes right here. You must understand that returns happen. Customer damages on FBA, 99.9% of the time, you don't get your money back. I've given up even trying. If Amazon damages it in the warehouse, you will get reimbursed. If they lose it, you'll get reimbursed. If it gets lost in shipping, most of the time they'll reimburse. But anything else, if they deem it damaged on the way to their warehouse, or if they deem that a customer damaged it, you're just at a loss. So, got 1, 2, 3, 4. We got five packages. The question is, are these damages? Are these bad buys? What were these? This is a fun video I like to make. It's what now happened at Amazon. So, in this box, okay, so sometimes the returns come back. We'll look at this one real quick. It looks like it could be okay. Tags are still on it. Sometimes batteries die on the way you're in transit. Hey, we're good. So this guy here, let me grab a phone. Amazon seller app. Come on, baby. It's been a little finicky tonight. Okay, next one. So it's 75,000 on toys. I hope you can see that. It's ranked 75,000 toys, $12.49 is the buy box. And it's worth $7.43 after fees. So put it over here on the table to go back to Amazon. So every now and then they won't, if it's a return and it's a new shape, you're fine. This one, I can already tell you I'm screwed because it's a cell phone. And not only, they didn't even send the packaging back. So this one, I don't call a lot to Amazon, but we're calling for this one. So what do you need to call for it? I'm going to need some pictures of it. This is what I got back in this bag, right? Yeah, in this bag. So they need that number, they need that bag, and they need this. Because I didn't get the charger back. So they kept the charger on it. I wonder if they kept the SIM card too. Who knows what else they've done to this thing. They stole the battery, and they stole the charger. So Amazon is going to have to do something with these folks because, right, and they supposedly track this stuff now so that whenever there are bad returns, so hopefully I'll get reimbursement on that. It probably won't be the amount of the sale, but so that's one good return, one fraudulent return. All right, next up. Isn't this fun and exciting? Can y'all wait to see what it is? Huh. It's a tablecloth. And we'll go back. That thing was never opened, brand new. All right. Hey, that's a good video so far. That means these 3 boxes are going to have some hellation stuff in them. I'm here to tell you. Dun, dun, dun. So they're not supposed to be able to return it without the packaging. This is a Batman car. You can actually look up and say what the customer said was the reason for this return. I mean, what can possibly be wrong with a Batman car? The gun moves around. It's perfectly fine. That's your screwed, so we'll throw that in the yard sale / donate pile. I make a I make a yard sale pile. I'm like, I put all the stuff to the side. I start storing. I'm like, I'm gonna save that. I'm gonna get some of my money back at a yard sale. And then I remember how hard yard sales are and how much work they are, and it goes into the donate fund. And gets written off as taxes as a return. Alrighty. This is one of those, put the tea bag in there and brew through your own cup. Everything's here but the tag itself. Lost. Alright, I have no idea why this one came back. But, see what happened to it? I don't know if you can see or not, but can you see the creases on that? Can you see the creases on that? All of a sudden, this is expensive. It's an expensive toy. I think it's about $28. But unfortunately, with these two things, it's much likelier to be with a classic car in it and an older to be a collector's item. So I will not send that. That's an eBay item. So that's one thing you have to learn with Amazon is almost new or pretty close, just slight damaging. It's not good enough. There's probably technically a collectible, but people abuse the collectible, so I don't use collectible. I mean, really, that thing's a brand new, just out for this year. How the hell is it collectible already? I mean, maybe it's collected for some item, but they had to send this in a big box. You wonder what it is. No fun. You have to check this stuff. Alright, it's going back. Woo! Man, you viewers are probably some good luck. Toxin. Toxin can go back. Spider Ham. I actually did order some protectors for these, so I'm gonna start using the. They're about 60 cents each, but they're clear plastic to go over these guys because they're easily. People do collect these things. You'd be amazed. And also, the stickers are on the box themselves, so I'll take these stickers off, clean them up, and then put them in a protector, and then put the sticker on the protector. So, yeah, that's Spider Ham. He's worth it's worth $38. All right. But these things, you get free packing. So I use the air pillows. This is the one I love. You know, we'll order a game, we'll play it, and then we'll send it back. That's awesome. So the big thing is, what's it look like on the inside? I know y'all are wondering, right? So it looks like they did not play it. So this is a perfect, spin this thing around. I've got this little thing here. It's a roll of PVC shrink wrap, heat gun. And this is the, pull in, and you see the red light come on, it'll time it out. And then it seals the plastic wrap. So basically, that's gonna go on eBay. I'm gonna reshrink that on eBay, and then that'll be I list it as new other. I'm not gonna list it as new. I'll list it as reshrink just so that nothing can I don't like deceiving folks. So it's just strange that it went back in there right. Because it's not supposed to go there. Outstanding. I wonder if that means we're missing something. Let's check real quick. It's supposed to have the little red thing, a game board, 2 playing pieces. They're in there. Cards, and a drawing pad. That's why you check. They didn't return the drawing pad. You know, it's a big key is there's a hole right there. Nothing's in it. They didn't return it all. So I need the little card for this one as well. Most of the time I don't bother with this stuff, but when they're going to return like this and not return the whole damn thing, at least with this one it doesn't have a little thing in it, but it's all here. This just be donated. But when you keep part of it, because for whatever pissy reason you return something on Amazon, so is that worth the call? Probably. It maybe $10 or whatever it is. I appreciate you guys watching. I just wanted to show you what kind of condition stuff comes back in. I got a couple new. I got more new than I don't usually get that much new. Then I get a lot of stuff like this that was never used, but it's missing the little tag here that shows it is new. Missing, they stole parts out of it. The other one's missing parts out of it. They're technically, you used to be able to get 25% back when they didn't send the packaging back. Hell, I might as well try it too. Alright, hey, thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, and all that other stuff. If I have any questions about returns or issues with returns, hopefully I describe it accurate, but this is pretty typical. There you can have your returns. You can go into the settings, under settings, Seller Central, down to FBA, and I have them auto returned. So I get an email every now and then saying, hey, this is your first email to bring this stuff back. But on the 5th and the 20th of every month, they send whatever can be sent back. So it's easy for me. I don't have to remember it, and they do it automatically. All right. See you on the next one. Roll Tide.